Blood. It's more than just a red liquid. Let's uncover its secrets. Meet the heroes of your bloodstream. First up, red blood cells or RBCs. Think of them as delivery trucks transporting oxygen from your lungs to every part of your body. Without RBCs, your muscles and organs would be gasping for air. Next, we've got white blood cells or WBCs. Imagine them as your personal bodyguards. These defenders are always on the lookout for invaders like bacteria and viruses, ready to fight off any threats to keep you healthy. Now let's talk platelets. These are the emergency responders of your blood. When you get a cut, platelets rush to the scene to form a clot and stop the bleeding. It's like having your own built-in band-aid. Finally, we have plasma, the liquid gold that ties it all together. Plasma is mostly water, but it's packed with nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Think of it as the highway that allows everything to travel smoothly through your body. So next time you think about blood, remember, it's not just red stuff. It's a complex and vital system working around the clock to keep you alive and well. From delivery trucks and bodyguards to emergency responders and highways, each component has a crucial role to play. Thanks for watching, and remember to give your blood some love. If you're a medical student, you need to know your blood basics. Let's break it down together. Blood is truly the river of life. It's a specialized body fluid that has four main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells, or erythrocytes, are the most abundant. They're like tiny delivery trucks carrying oxygen from your lungs to every corner of your body and bringing carbon dioxide back to your lungs to be exhaled. White blood cells, or leukocytes, are your body's defense squad. They fight off infections and protect you from diseases. Think of them as your internal security system. Now, platelets, also known as thrombocytes, are the unsung heroes of blood clotting. Whenever you get a cut, they rush to the scene and form clots to stop the bleeding. Imagine them as emergency responders, sealing up the wound. Lastly, plasma is the liquid part of your blood, making up about 55% of its volume. It's mostly water, but also carries hormones, nutrients, and proteins throughout your body. You can think of plasma as the highway for all these essential elements. So there you have it, a quick snapshot of what's pumping through your veins. Blood isn't just a red liquid, it's a complex and vital system that keeps us alive and well. Blood is essential. It flows through our bodies. It carries vital things like oxygen and nutrients. Blood also removes waste products. Like a river, it connects everything. Blood is a special liquid. It's made up of different cells. These cells have important jobs. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells fight infection. Platelets help stop bleeding. Understanding blood is important. It helps us stay healthy. Doctors can check our blood. This tells them how our bodies are doing. Red blood cells are tiny. They look like little discs. They are red because of a special protein. This protein is called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin carries oxygen. It picks up oxygen in the lungs, then it delivers it all around the body. Our cells need oxygen to work. Without it, we would die. Red blood cells are the most common type of blood cell. They make up about 40 to 45% of our blood. They are made in the bone marrow. These cells have a limited lifespan. They live for about 120 days. Then they are broken down and recycled. White blood cells are part of the immune system. They are our body's defense force. They protect us from infections and diseases. There are different types of white blood cells. Each type has a specific job. Some white blood cells attack and destroy germs. Others produce antibodies. Antibodies help to fight off infection. White blood cells are much fewer in number than red blood cells. They make up less than 1% of our blood, but they are very important for our health. Platelets are tiny cell fragments. They are much smaller than red or white blood cells. They play a vital role in blood clotting. When we get a cut, platelets rush to the site. They stick together and form a plug. This plug helps to stop the bleeding. Platelets also release chemicals. These chemicals help to form a blood clot. Blood clotting is important. It prevents us from bleeding too much. Without platelets, even a small cut could be dangerous.
Hey there, awesome people of Jalem. Let's make your feed more fun. Hit that like button if you're loving what you see. Share it with your friends to spread the joy. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos just like this one. Your support helps us bring you the best of Jalem. So what are you waiting for? Like, share, and subscribe now. See you in the next video.